आम्ही रेशन कोटा जो असा तो आम्ही प्रत्येक 1 तारखेक आम्ही दिता आणि 21 तारखेक आमची कट ऑफ डेट असता आणि 21 ते मधलो तो 1 तारीख पर्यंत म्हणजे 30 तारीख पर्यंत तो आम्ही स्टॉक करता म्हणजे खंय गुदामांनी स्टॉक करता किंवा ते गुदामांतल्यान आम्ही प्रत्येक फेअर प्रायस शॉपाचेर व्हरतात अशे तरेचो आमचो तो प्रोसेस आसा आणि त्याबद्दल आम्ही फक्त चतुर्थी वेळाचेरूच तो टायम येता पळय तेन्ना थोडासा आम्ही मातशें बेगीन दिता पूण आज अशे तरेचो 1 तारखेच्यानूच आम्ही कोटा सुरू करता.
So there is a problem for the senior citizen regarding the thumb expression.
Yeah.
So what do you like to say?
No, we have already given a direction to the director saying that if anybody is bedridden or the old age senior person cannot come up to the FPF price, they can give a authority letter to the person who is already having the biometric authentication or Aadhaar card link with that ration card. Then only we are allowing them. There are many people who I am having a complaint from the Madkai constituency. I can show you the proof. I received one complaint from the Saligaon. Email within 24 hours with this complaint we have decided to give him a ration card at his residence by sending his person or a punch member or our own person is going to certify that man that he is a senior person and it is not possible him to come out from his house. This is what we have already taken care.